Hey everyone, it's Lindsay. Today I'm going to tell you about a really cool tool. Uh, cool tool, I like that. It's called steamocean.com. It's a tool for the Steem blockchain. So here's the overview. The site uses an indexing system for the Steem blockchain, as used by steemit.com, which looks at voting patterns and ranks users by their ability and willingness to upvote other users. So to learn more about how the ranks are calculated, visit the About page. You can view the ranking table to get into details or view individual accounts using the voter page. This was created by Yura at Yura-Soul. So Yura Soul, you are a soul in a human body. I love his name. So let's get into this. All right, so the first page that you're going to see is the highest totals. So the highest totals giving to others. Hendrik de Groot first, Sweet SSSJ next, K-Pine, Rancho Relaxo, the Yohal Files, Adzactly, and Peace and Love. The highest number of accounts voted for. Anomaly comes in at the top with 9,037. So what are these numbers for? They're based on the voting activity between these two dates. So that includes 97,699 active users between the dates of February 2nd and February 13th. Highest self-voters, we have Grumpy Cat, next followed by Hajin, Check Global Hosts, Exactly, and then the vote rank. So let us go and look at, so this is basically, it's a new way of seeing, a reputation. Sometimes a user has a very high reputation, and then we can examine them further using Steem Ocean to see, does that reputation really say what kind of a Steemian that they are? Okay, so based on how Eurosoul has put this information, this is how it ranks. Number 1, Hendrik de Groot. It shows you the top category they curate in. His self-vote percentage is 0. He gave in that 7-day period 19,191 SBD to the people he votes for. How many unique accounts did this Steemian vote for? 1,456. That is incredible. Next, Sweet SSSJ. Self-vote for that week, 0%. The value given out, 15,807 SBD to 108 accounts. Okay. K-Pine, 14,617. No self-voting either. 40 different accounts. Anomaly comes in number 4. They gave 6.88 SBD out to 9,037 different Steemians. Good Karma gave 6,721 SBD in that week to 4,702 users. The Yohal Files, number 6, 12,700 SBD. Self-voting 0. Accounts voted for 33. Number 7, Rancho Relaxo. Self-votes 0. Gave 12,774 SBD out last week. Accounts voted for 1. HR1. 3,600 SBD, no self-voting. Accounts voted for, wow, 5,884 unique users, touching a lot of lives. Peace and Love, 12,277 different accounts. Fairyism, 4,500 SBD to 4,535 different accounts. Surpassing Google, 9,348 SBD. Self-vote, 251 of that. Accounts voted for, 1,170. SteemD Proxy, 9,785. Given to 12 people. Rocky 1, 9,341, given to 122. Osbit Bank comes in at number 14. No self-voting, 6,192 Steem dollars given to 1,915 different accounts. Trafalgar, 11% self-voting, 12,007 SBD given to 62 different accounts. So you guys can just keep going on and on and on through this list if you want to see. You want to examine a voter. There we go. Let's examine Lindsay Bowes. Okay. 1,076 SBD I have been able to give to, where is the, 440 different accounts. So that's not bad. I could be doing better. I could be spreading it out a bit more, which I would like to actually do. It means everybody's vote percentages are going to be a little bit less, but I do believe, you know, that it's the right thing to do, to spread that love around. So that's it, you guys. You can come here to steamocean.com. You can examine any person who's a member of the Steem blockchain, and you can see where you rank. I'm in 114th position. That's really great, and I would never be able to do this without the delegations I received from Cornell and Full-Time Geek. They're the only reason that I'm even ranking at all on this. So, you all, come check this out.